least 300 people have been killed in days of clashes in Kenya.
There are now fears that the cycle of attack and revenge is already beyond the control of the security forces. Houses continue to be torched as armed youth run amok. The displaced, frightened and desolate seek protection. Here, hundreds of families have sought refuge in a church.
You traitor! Fool! You'll not run away from your obligations forever. All of you in there will have to pay for your betrayals. Here she's questioning your loyalty. We need those boys now more than ever. My boys, to batch.
Time is almost up. Make sure you've written your name and your number correctly. Confirm. Silence. I know you're excited. This is your last exam, but pass your paper forward. Hey, slowly. Quiet.
Boys, let's be calm for us.
Sorry, sir. We're just very excited.
We are closing school, but when you come back, the next time you are closed, we are closing for good.
Okay, boys, huh? Yeah, let's not be a bad example to the young boys, huh? Let's be calm, huh? Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Principal Papa, I know this is not usual, but we'll miss this school. We'll miss you. I mean, you've been more than a principal to us, a mentor, a father to most of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Kim. I'm flattered. When you get back home, things are not the same. You'll be expected back here to complete your secondary education. Don't let peer pressure take your moral beliefs. Focus.
Sir, what are you talking about?
Nothing to worry about. Just remember my words when they count. Otherwise, go prepare yourself for tomorrow.
You are saying it's an August holiday.
They will be fine. Let's just hope that whatever is going on out there will not affect them.
I am worried. These boys are like my sons.
Don't be. Just be strong for them when they need it. Let's go have a cup of tea as we talk about it.
Sparta, why are you bothering me at this hour?
I'm sorry, Mhesh, but you ran into a problem trying to get more men for the war. Stop wasting my time. I've paid you to do a job. Your job is to look for young men to go and fight for our community in the valley. My job is to provide what you need. Machetes, rungus, and guns if you want. Not bothering me at night with meetings of don't know what. Do you understand? Do you understand?
We had a better idea. We are here to seek your approval.
What?
Schools are closing. We can use the young boys coming back home.
Manze, that is unacceptable. Mheshimiwa, they are hardly 17. They are kids. They can't fight for us.
Do you have a better suggestion?
Sirens, you wake my wife up. Smarter, do what you need to do. Our people need us.
Boys, it has been a good time. We are going for August holidays. I want you to please remember my words. If it feels unsafe at your homes, you can always come back here. A place you can study and has peace. Well, you can pick your bags and go enjoy your holidays.
You spoke well, Mr. Principal. Let's go back.
I'm right behind you.
Have you heard?
What?
The village is burning.
Let's wait for him.
Who?
The principal.
Lakini kubaya. With this election stuff. Umesikia? Unasema hata mimi.
Madam Phoebe, come. I have bad news for you.
Our community has called upon you. When the right time comes, we shall come for you. Be ready. Be ready. Sijione wajanja, tunakujia. Tunakujia. Sawa.
We have a problem.
Mom, you never rest, do you?
My son, you're home. Welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
Let me take your bag and go fetch you something to. Come on.
It's fine.
Okay.
Let me go in, say freshen up, then I'll come down with tea.
Nice.
Baba Kim, you're home early.
It's Mahesh. Yeah, someone does again.
Are they really going to go for war with other communities?
At this point, it's inevitable. Our people are being slaughtered in the valley. Orders from above are that we send men to go fight.
Men, not young boys.
Listen, Mama Kim, we are called upon. I will not be a man who refused to send his son to go to war when he was asked. I will not be an embarrassment to my ancestors.
My son, my Kim, is going nowhere.
Kim is a grown and circumcised man. He should go to war like the rest of the men and fight.
Go ahead.
Listen to me, son. The upcoming general election have brought with it some dark times in our community. We need to fight and keep our community at the top.
But Dad, I don't understand. Why do you need to fight?
Because they are killing our people. We need to fight back.
No, Kim, we don't. We don't have to be a part of this.
In a few hours, some men will come and take you. Go with them. Make your community proud. Make your father proud.
Kim, go fetch some firewood for tonight.
But Mom,
I said go. My son is going nowhere.
Think about what your actions shall do to this family. I'm going to the men's baraza.
guys, this is what Principal Papa was trying to tell us back in school.
Mazee Miki, I'm scared.
Hata mimi.
The boys are scared. They are men. Men step up when they are called upon.
But Mheshimiwa, they are not soldiers. Your child is abroad studying. These are our children.
And my children are going nowhere.
We have to stop them.
How can we stop them? My husband Muhesh has already ordered the young men to take them by force tonight.
My dad told me to be ready. We don't have to fight wars that don't belong to us.
Guess where they are coming?
Let the government deal with it. I heard you'll be a problem, Principal Papa. And you are a shame to our community.
Principal Papa told us, if it's not safe at home, let's go back to school.
The school was a safe place for them.
He, herimi wangu nimvalishe kama msichana, ndio wakikam wasimchukue. He.
Cowards, Peshi. Let's make our own decisions. Stand by our own moral grounds. If they come, let's meet at my dad's shamba at the corner. Then we run back to school. There can be no war if no one shows up to fight.
If these boys don't show up to fight, na nisikie kwamba umechangia, I'll make sure you die.
The time has come! You either come out peacefully or we come get you by force.
My people, niwacheni nisome nione masiku mengi. I see more. You made me a son of terror. Sitaki vita tena, mi bado kijana nasoma. Sons of terror, you made me a son of terror. Sitaki vita tena, mi bado kijana nasoma. Sons of terror. Hey! I'm more than a son of terror. sons of terror. Nataka kusoma. My people, mulipigana vita mkujua malipo ya vifo. My people, niwacheni nisome nione masiku mengi. I see more. You made me a son of terror. Sitaki vita tena, mi bado kijana nasoma. Sons of terror, you made me a son of terror. Sitaki vita tena, mi bado kijana nasoma.
Is everyone here? Species not here yet. We can't wait for him. He'll catch up. Let's go.
Sons of terror, nataka kusoma. Hum 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 hum.
Sir, we can't find most of them, but this boy knows where they are.
Speak or I cut off your tongue.
They went to school to hide.
I hope you're not lying, because if you are, boys, let's go get them.
Nini kinaendelea huko? Mimi sijui. Hata mimi sijui. Mbona wamebeba panga? Kuna vita.
Mi bado kijana nasoma. Sons of terror. I'm more than a son of terror. Sons of terror. Nataka kusoma.
Principal Papa! Principal Papa! Principal Papa! Principal Papa! Principal Papa!
It's okay. You are safe. You are safe. They'll be expecting us at teachers' quarters. Let's head to the dormitories. Quick.
Wait. Go check at the teacher's quarters area. The rest of you go check the classroom.
We cannot find them.
Principal Papa! Principal Papa! You're a shame to our community. Our precise orders not to let you stand on our way. I'll kill you. You'll not like it when I meet you. I'm sure you'll not like it. You'll not like it.
Boys, we have run out of options. I'll go out there and try to slow them down.
No, sir. If you go, we all go.
Kim, when I can't hold them any longer, I want you to run to the church. That's a place where they cannot get you.
But, sir.
No, Kim. Please do as I say.
Stop looking. I'm here. Finally, Principal Papa. Where are they? They are not here. Do not waste my time. Run! Go get them! Cowards! Don't call yourselves men. Once you are done fighting for our people, we'll come back for you. Boys, join.
Kupatikana kwa mwafaka wa kisiasa ambao bila shaka ni afueni kwa Wakenya wengi ambao wamekuwa na hofu ya hali ya kisiasa humu nchini kumepatikana baada ya majadiliano magumu na yaliyochukua masaa mengi kuanza leo asubuhi.
Father, it is over. The war is over.
Now that there is peace and freedom, my son, what are you going to do?
I will go and finish my Form 4. Then, I want to become a principal, just like Principal Papa.
Well, my son, may God be with you. The Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Now, go join the rest. What a beautiful day.
My people, mulipigana vita mkujua malipo ya vifo. My people, niwacheni nisome nione masiku mengi. I see more, you made me a son of terror. Sitaki vita tena, mi bado kijana nasoma. Sons of terror, you made me a son of terror. Sitaki vita tena, mi bado kijana nasoma. Sons of terror, I'm more than a son of terror. Sons of terror, nataka kusoma.